What's the meaning of backer? Backer. Backer.
Backer. Backer. A backer is someone who supports a project or idea financially, typically through crowdfunding or investment. The term can refer to individuals or organizations that provide financial backing to help bring a project to fruition. Backers can often receive rewards or benefits for their support, such as early access to a product or recognition in the project's credits. In some cases, backers may also have a say in how the project is developed or implemented. Being a backer can be a way to support innovation and creativity, as well as potentially earning a return on investment.